Are you bored of styling your braids the same way every single day? Well, have I got a few styles for you to spice up your life. Really simple, quick and easy to do, so stay tuned if you want to see how I style my braids. So for the first style, I'm taking a quarter of my braids. I'm taking out as much curls as I can, just to like fall on my face and cover my thin edges. And I'm going to take the rest of the braids and just twisting it into a bun. It's up to you how big you want your bun to be or how little you want your bun to be. I think I'm making mine a bit bigger, like so. You can leave it like that if you want, guys. It's giving something. I don't know what it is, but now I'm just going to take the other quarter of my braids and doing the same. So taking out as much curls as I can to cover up my thin edges, and then I'm just going to twist that braid into a bun like so, like I did for the other side. And there we have it. It's giving very much I own platform shoes. It's giving very much I only wear Dr. Martens. It's giving very much black is my favorite color. So for the next style, I'm taking 2 braids from the front of my hair and tying them together at the back of my head. So this is to like get the hair out of your face, like if you don't want your whole hair out of your face because you might look like an egghead. So this is to like just get just enough hair out of your face, but enough for you to look cute. So here I am. I'm giving very much I read books, a lot of books, and I'm smart. For the next style, I have my hair in a half up, half down ponytail. I'm going to take the ponytail and wrap it around into the bun, and then I'm going to pin the tips of my hair into the bun and leave one curl sticking out. As you'll see, I'm giving very much 80s, 90s vibes. I have 5 boyfriends and they all pay for my car, my house, and my 2 dogs, and they paid for this hairstyle. And you can't tell me nothing, girl, because I'll steal your man too. And your brother. So for this next hairstyle, I'm putting my hair in a half up, half down ponytail, and I'm doing the ponytail to the side. You can do your ponytail on whatever side you feel comfortable in. I'm doing mine on the left side.
Never stopped, never changed, all the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day.
This hairstyle is giving very much my little niece called me auntie last week, so now I'm trying to look like her age mates. We are the same age, yeah. You are 13, me I am 11. Pure. For this next style, I'm taking all the braids from one side, leaving out one curl, and just twisting it to the other side. And I'm going to take one braid from all those braids that I twisted, and then I'm going to take another braid from the other side that I didn't twist, and I'm basically going to tie them together. Girl, what are you doing? Put the whole braid through. You can do as many knots as you want. Just tie them together to make sure that this twist is secure and that hair that you swoop to one side doesn't go to back to the other side really. And you're basically going to take the rest of your hair to just cover up that knot. And there you have it. It's giving very much, hey, I'm Elle's English teacher and you must be her mother. Yeah, she did curse a lot in yesterday's lesson. For this final style, I'm taking one curl out from each of the 2 front braids, and then I'm going to tie the rest of my braids back. I'm going to tie everything back into a semi ponytail, and I'm just basically going to be doing a semi side ponytail. So it's not going to be an all the way through ponytail. Y'all gonna see. As you can see, it looks like I'm about to put my whole hair through, but then I stop. And there you have it. That's the hair, girl. That's the hair. It's giving very much, you can't sit with us. You cannot sit with us. My dad is so rich and I'm so popular. My dad owns 5 mansions and I live in one of them. So it's technically my house and I drive a Range Rover. And I don't even need a driver's license. And there you have it, guys. That was the video. Please let me know if you want me to do a part 2 of different hairstyles that you want to see on this hairstyle. And let me know if you guys want a tutorial on how I did these braids. They're a little bit old now, so I kind of need to switch it up or do another hairstyle. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next video.
I won't stop till I make a change.